Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to show you the July Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription that Macy's puts out to highlight different brands in their beauty collection and their beauty department. The box is going to be $15 a month and it will include samples, deluxe samples, travel sizes, and every now and then a full-size item, mostly samples, and you usually will get a surprise item as well as a coupon and some perfume samples. I did find out from a very nice viewer who let me know last month's box, which really confused me, that did not have our surprise item or the perfume samples or anything. It was a takeover box, which I did not know Macy's did, so I appreciate that viewer who let me know. The takeover month happens about twice a year, and it is when a single brand will take over the box and you'll get only samples from that brand, which last month was Kiehl's. So this month we should have our normal box of sample items and a surprise item and our coupon and our perfume samples. So let's check it out and see. As per usual, we have our items wrapped up in pink tissue paper. I do see a surprise item in there and a coupon. So if you skip it, we got everything, it looks like. Our surprise item is a very cute fan. This is just a little bamboo fan, paper fan. Keep it in your purse, fan yourself when it's a little warm out or in, depending on where you are. But this is a cute little, keep it, purse size little fan, or give it to your kiddos to play with, or however you want to use that. But today, this month's surprise item is this fan. We do have our $5 coupon off. It's $5 off $20 in the box as well. And our box items are going to be in this pretty tissue paper. Let's check and see what's inside. Ooh, we got some cool stuff in here. Our first item is going to be a Lancome. I think this says Genifique, and this is a youth activating serum. This is going to be a 7 milliliter sample size, so it's got a little squeezy tube top, so a couple uses out of that. Our next item is from Kopari, and this is a Sun Shield Soft Daily Glow SPF 30. So you can put this on for a little bit of glow plus some sunscreen. Great for summer, so this is another great product. And this is going to be this is a 5 ml size. So that is a good size sample for our Kopari item. And we got a little squeezy tube of the Kopari, so that's a nice one. And this again is a 5 milliliter size. Our next item is from First Aid Beauty, and this is a Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So this is a great exfoliating scrub, nice one. And this is going to be a 1 ounce size, so this is a good size. Still a couple uses depending on how much you need. Our next item is actually from Kiehl's. So this is the same brand that did the takeover last month, and this says it's a powerful strength line reducing concentrate. So this is a little squeezy tube of a wrinkle reducer, so who couldn't use a little more of that in their life? Our next item is from Nude Sticks, and this is a nude screen lip primer with an SPF of 30. So this is a great way to keep your lips, to keep the sun off your lips and keep you getting those dry lines and different things. So I will definitely be using that one. I like it. And our last item is going to be our perfume sample for this box, and this is a Valentino Born in Roma. So this one's going to have, I think we got this in another box. I have another sample of the Valentino, but we got our really nice samples. So this was a really fun box. We got our surprise item, our perfume samples. We got our 5 products from the Macy's Beauty Counter. We got our $5 off 20 coupon. I think this was a great box. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. Let me know what you thought of your box in the comments below. Which are your favorite products? What are you looking forward to using the most? I want to thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.